Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change some notification settings on REDnote. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open the REDnote app on your phone. Now, hit the profile or the Me icon on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon and you can see notification settings. Go ahead and tap on the bell icon or the notification settings icon and you can see some of the notification types like engagement notifications, chat notifications, content notifications, store notifications and in-app notifications. So you can just go ahead and go through these and turn off the notifications like the likes and collects, which the notification will come to your screen. You can easily disable all of this. With a single touch, you can individually go and disable it. You can go through chat, disable the private, group chat or stranger chat as you wish. And if you scroll down, there is something like store notification and in-app notifications. You can go through these and change the notification settings according to your wish. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.